Hello, fellow traders. Paul Limmel. Got a nuclear stock here today, UEC, Uranium Energy Corporation. And I've got to show you this on the monthly scale just because the consolidation had been so long. You really get the clean cycle picture by scrolling back on the monthly, looking for the yearly cycle. So basically, the breakdown is Cat 1 was a TY2 plus cycle. It's a 3.5 year plus cycle. And then the second cat line, that was about a 10 to 13 year plus, a little bit over that key cycle. And then we got cat 3 in the last 6 months or so, maybe 12 months or so. Back in, let me pull this over here. Back in December of 2024. So the picture right now we have is basically a TY6 pullback off of that, a little bit over the 750 PPP, came back, retested $5 PPP. So basically we're in a PBC zone now, post-breakout consolidation zone, and we'll probably get a better picture over the next few months about how the TSS is going to set up. I mean, it may bottom here, but typically after a big move like that, you'd be looking for the 3.5 month TSS. We're 2 bars into right now. So we're probably a couple months out of getting the exact trend line on it, but this is a pretty solid PBC zone so far. The BMI out of the base is just really, really sharp. Let's look at the bottom on that down there. It's about 2,000% over a couple years since 2021. So I'm sure what's driving this is all the data energy centers. So this makes sense that we get probably about a 10 to 13 week TSS. We're at about 7 or so. So a few more weeks and maybe a TSS and then a dip back below that trough, and potential buy zone would be there. I mean, this could be early 2024, possibly shaping up for that, but looks pretty good overall. As far as targets on it, we're going to get too steep of a line to get a real good clean angle on that. I think we're going to be shooting way too high in the trend line. So I think we just need to let this PBC zone set up, and then we get a clearer picture about the price targets. But generally speaking, as I've mentioned 100 times, we like to look for about a 200% gain out of the PBC zone. And that's around 1750 or so. So 2 times 1750, $35 plus 1750 be 52 or so. So that's a potential target. If you hit that, that would be about 300% gain on that. So it definitely has good possibilities. It's got blue sky territory, good momentum on breakouts, and orderly PBC zone so far. So let's keep a close eye on it. Let's look at the stock rating for the stock. Okay, stock rating on UEC is a C-86. Just elevated risks, huge volatility, and not so orderly on the breakouts. Just very fast stocks, high vector. So got to drive down the risk. C-86 risk profile is a C. BMI and vectors, 9 on the BMI and 1 on the vector. Again, a PBC zone trade, and current market rating is A+. And get more information on the market rating at bigkunatradingclub.club/market-rating. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.